I'm RedFoo.
And I'm Jazzy Rock.
And we are gonna make Sprout Thai Noodles.
So we're gonna add some zucchini noodles to our kelp noodles. You can use all kelp, you can use all zucchini noodles, miracle noodles, whatever type of noodles you want. We're doing raw, so we're doing kelp noodles. Add the red cabbage and the zucchini noodles. Pick it up.
You can pick the whole thing up and mix them at the same time. Okay.
It's all gonna be mixed in. And then we're gonna take some cilantro, carrots, and red bell peppers.
Boom.
And I added some orange bell peppers for some color. So throw that in there as well.
Yeah. All of it into the bowl.
Now we're gonna add radishes. So we have purple radishes and green onion.
Whoa! This already looks like a nutritious, colorful, delightful thing. And then what are we adding next?
So we can't eat any of our meals without our famous sprouts.
We have to have sprouts. Why? Because they have the nutrition. They're alive. It's a whole food because you're eating everything. The seed, the shoot, the stem, the leaf. And these are the salad sprouts. Are you crazy?
Okay. And now we're gonna get into the dressing. Take this.
Ooh.
Then you're gonna throw some olive oil in there.
Okay, that's a cup.
Do some of this.
Liquid aminos. Raw agave nectar.
And then we're gonna do some raw cashew butter.